Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called focused factory. It is a factory that its creators have organized around a very specific set of resources. The focus of this type of factory is very narrow. That is, it provides very narrow range of operation. The vast majority of focused factories are mass production facilities. The creators of focused factory wanted it to make a very narrow range of products at minimal cost. A typical focused factory has significant fixed asset base. It also produces extremely high volume products. If its owner does not have to produce in lot, it will be running under loss because of a huge fixed assets. Therefore, it needs a relatively high production rate just to break even. The idea for the focused factory is for mass production of a limited product and make them at a lower cost so that it is not diverting. In such kind of situation, you cannot expect variety, but the lead time will be less. Possibly all this may be from make to stock kind of item, and the cost will be competitive for this kind of operations. Thanks for watching. Bye.